Now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
You'll want to take note of tomorrow.
Yes.
Normal,
First, just normal winter day.
What does that mean?
It's
It's so long.
We won't recognize it.
It means that people are just going to have to find other things to complain about. Really, I'm sure we can find something, but yes, the weather will be
Well, they'll hold their fire till
normal
Friday.
tomorrow. That's right. They're just going to come at me on Friday. Well, something really interesting and out of the normal here happened tonight. It happens, but this is Venus and Jupiter, and we got a lot of calls tonight saying, what was that in the sky? Well, it was Venus and Jupiter. It's something called conjunction, where they get very close to each other as they orbit. Venus moving a little faster. That's the brighter one to the right. If you want to know the difference between a star and a planet, stars twinkle, planets do not. And so you probably looked up into the western sky, and as they got very close together, it looked like they almost had a little cosmic kiss as they moved together. But believe it or not, they were 400 million miles apart. It's just to us, it looked like they were very close together. So kind of a bright, just a brightness in the sky, and that's exactly what it was. So right now temperatures are in the, for the most part, upper 30s to low 40s, although Howell just dropped down to 34, 38 in Pontiac, 41 in Adrian, 42 in Detroit. My pick of the day comes from Royal Oak. There's a little owl in that bird feeder there. Thanks for your My Pick. You can always upload them and send them to the Forewarned Weather app. High pressure was in control today. We're going to lose that tonight. There's a little disturbance that will move to our south, bring a little bit of freezing rain, but way up in the thumb. Nothing to worry about here in Metro Detroit. We're going to stay nice and dry. If you had 3 hours to the south today, you would have been in the mid 70s, 75 in Columbus, also in Dayton, 60 in Toledo. We got to 53 out at Metro Airport. All right, let's talk about this next storm. So tomorrow's normal, but then on Friday, we've been talking about this all week long, and now we're getting a better handle on what exactly is going to happen. So keep an eye on the clock. Morning commute's fine. By noon, still should be dry, although the moisture just starts to move in. There's still a question mark as to who gets rain, who gets snow, and who gets that mix. It's all going to depend on an area of low pressure that will cross just to the south, and as it does, it could usher in some warm air, or it could go a little further north or south rather, and we could get in on some colder air. So that's kind of the situation we're looking at this point. Looks like south of I-94 will be rain mixed with a little bit of snow, and then more snow north of it. The heaviest snow will be confined up into the thumb. So here's what we know. We will have wind gusts over 35 miles per hour. There is a chance that we could get some freezing rain as part of this storm. So you combine the freezing rain and the wind gusts. I know that's not good news, so that's something we'll be keeping an eye on for power outages. What we're unsure of until tomorrow when we get another run of these high-res models. Unsure how far north that warm air is going to go, so that makes the rain-snow line kind of iffy, but right now we're thinking it's going to set up right along I-94. Snow totals will be in question because the more rain we get, the less we'll get in the way of snow. 33 is the overnight low tonight. Clouds build back in by tomorrow morning. Will be partly to mostly cloudy. Tomorrow afternoon will be nice, though, with a high right where we should be for this time of year, 42 degrees. We will certainly be tracking this storm. Now, Ashley Barassi tomorrow morning will have the latest model run and should be able to, since we're 24 hours out, be able to pinpoint a little bit more as far as what we're expecting as far as snow totals. I can tell you if you've heard, you know, a foot of snow and this and that. No, that's not what we're looking at. It's just impactful because it is going to be heavy precipitation. We are obviously still very sensitive when you hear the words freezing rain. So this is definitely going to be an impactful storm.
Still a few power outages still tonight. Yeah,
exactly.